Hi, my name is Rucha and I am here to teach you Sanskrit. Today we will see one new shlok which is Chatakstrichaturan payah kanan yachate जलधरं पिपासया सोऽपि पूरयति विश्वंभसा हन्त हन्त महतामुदारता. Chatakstrichaturan, that is chatakah trichaturan. Chatakah is a bird who lives drinking only the rainwater. It doesn't drink water from rivers, from ponds, nowhere. It only drinks rainwater. So, in scorching summer, when the heat intensifies, it prays the cloud to give at least 3 to 4 drops of water. But what does cloud do? Does cloud give only 3 to 4 drops of water and keep mum? No, it blesses the chatak as well as the entire world with rainfall, right? The explanation goes like this. Chatakah is the bird which drinks only rainwater. Trichaturan is 3 or 4. Payah kanan. Payah is water. Kanan is droplets. Yachate is asked for, to beg for, to pray for. Jaldharam is Jaladhar, the one who holds water. Who can it be? Yes, Megharaj, cloud. Pipasaya. Pipasa is thirst. And pipasaya becomes with thirst. The bird chatak asks for 3 to 4 droplets of water from the cloud with thirst. Sopi is saha adhik api. Okay, saha is he. Api is also. Purayati is to give or to provide. Vishwambhasa is Vishwam adhik ambhasa. Ambhasa is with water. Soapi, that is he also, the cloud too, provides the water. To whom? To entire world, Vishwam. The cloud blesses the entire world with water. See, hanta hanta mahatam udarata. Hanta hanta is used for exclamation. What a wonder that means. Okay. Mahatam is very much great and udarata is generosity. What a wonderful generosity. Cloud blesses the entire world with rain. So such a great generosity it is. Like it? If yes, please do subscribe. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Shubham Bhavatu.